Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Steam recognizes Resident Evil 6 and the game files are present. Open Steam, right-click the game, choose Properties, then Local Files and verify integrity. This replaces missing or corrupted Steam API. DLL. Once done, make sure to run both Steam and the game as administrator so Windows allows DLL access. Also temporarily disable antivirus or add the Steam folder to exclusions. Antiviruses often quarantine Steam API. DLL, which causes the error. Now you repair the DLL itself. If integrity check failed to restore Steam API. DLL, copy a known good Steam API. DLL from the game folder or a clean installation. Make sure you match 32-bit versus 64-bit versions. Using the wrong bitness will still fail. Next, repair or install Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables for 2010 and 2015-2019 because missing runtime libraries often prevent DLL loading. After replacing files, finish by confirming system-wide issues. If the game still errors, perform a clean boot to rule out background software and reinstall Resident Evil 6 as a last resort to ensure all files are correct. Check Windows Event Viewer and Steam logs for specific DLL load errors. They tell you whether permissions, missing dependencies, or antivirus blocks are to blame. If it still fails, restore your antivirus settings and whitelist the game. That one troubleshooting tip usually resolves hidden quarantines or permission resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.